How to use an external hard drive with a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you first how to properly connect a USB external hard drive to your Chromebook, and then I'll show you how to access and copy files to and from the Chromebook and the hard drive. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is find the connectors on the side of your Chromebook. So you may have two different looking connectors here, a Type-C connector, or maybe a USB Type-A connector like this that is a rectangle, and it could be on the left side or the right side, maybe even the back. So locate the connector first. Then we need to look at our external hard drive and find the connector on this. So that's going to be a Type-C, where it's kind of a rectangle with rounded sides. This is a flash drive, but this is what the Type-A connector will look like. So if the connector on your hard drive looks like this, you would simply find the Type-A connector and plug it in. Now, if for some reason your Chromebook does not have any USB connectors like that, all you need to do is get an adapter where you could plug it into the Type-C connector port, and then you would simply plug your hard drive into that connector on the adapter. And check the description of a link to these down there. Now, my external hard drive has a Type-C connector, so I could just plug it directly into the Type-C connector on my Chromebook. All right, so once you plug your hard drive into your Chromebook, you should see a little window pop up that says Files and Removable Device Detected. So you can just select Open Files app to access the files on that Chromebook. But if for some reason that pop-up does not happen, or maybe it went away too quick and you missed it, all we need to do to access the files on our external hard drive is to simply select the little dot in the bottom left, then type Files, and you should see under Best Match the Files app come up. And this will open up an app that allows you to see all the files on your Chromebook. And over here in the left menu, you should see a little USB icon with your hard drive. So select this, and then these will be all the files on your hard drive. So if you want to copy any files from your hard drive onto your Chromebook, you can either just open them up right here, or you can select them and then drag them into the Downloads folder on your Chromebook. Give it some time to copy, and then you'll be able to open them there. The same thing goes for copying files from your Chromebook to your hard drive. You would simply select the file you want to copy and then just drag it over to the actual hard drive. And then when you open up the hard drive, you'll see that the file is there now. So that's how you use an external hard drive on your Chromebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.